Everyone, it is Friday today and it is 7:20. Today I'm actually going to work, so I've only got a couple of hours with Jason and Frederick before I go for a 7-hour shift today. I have put on my makeup already early this morning, so I don't have to worry about later, so I get to spend more time with the boys throughout the morning. I'm just having my cup of tea, sitting down, doing a little bit of video editing, and I think we're gonna go maybe out for a tiny bit before I have to come back and leave to go to work.
I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my luck goes. I just don't know how it slips out. There must be some kind of black hole in this house. Every person could be you though. A pretty guy with a halo. But who am I kidding, please now?
We came to the foreshore to do a little walk and I totally forgot. Why is our boot open? Do you have our keys?
You got that out.
No, I didn't. I shut it. Seriously. Oh, that was hilarious. So we came down to the foreshore and I totally forgot to pick out the camera. I was just like snapping away photos because I really wanted to get some cute photos of everyone down at the foreshore. And we just walked back to our car and our boot was still open. Good one, Amy. Good one. Our boot opened for everyone to go crazy and get stuff out of our car, which we don't have anything. So if you got something, you're welcome. You're welcome. I think we're going to head home or going to go somewhere else. I'm not too sure. I've only got a couple of hours until I have to go to work, but it's been fun having a little walk this morning at the foreshore and the weather has been really nice. So we've decided that we're gonna go look at some secondhand caravans because we've decided instead of getting a van like I really wanted, a caravan is so much better for us, plus we could have it for a lot longer because we could have more kids with a caravan, and we've just decided a caravan is better for us than a van. I'm gonna go look at some while I'm not doing anything and not needing to get ready for work. Ooh. It's got a bathroom. It's got a bathroom. This is so cool. I would really like a caravan with a bathroom. I like how it's got a full oven too. So this is the one Jason really likes. He really likes how both ends pop out. But I haven't looked at any of these, not even online. I hadn't looked at any of these because I just didn't think there would be something that Jason would be interested in. But now that I know he is, I can look at these. Look at him. Are you having fun there? Do you like that? That could be your whole bed. I know what we want to get now in a caravan, but unfortunately those prices were kind of out of our comfort zone at the moment. If we didn't have to pay for this car, like our repayments, we would have totally been okay with those prices. But because we've got this, we don't obviously want something else to add to more repayments. Those are out of our price range, but we will look at some others that are in our price range now that we know what we kind of want or what we want. It's a lot better when you know what your husband wants in a caravan. It's not just me, it's about us. So that's great. So we found out what we want together and I'm happy that Jason kind of agrees with me on what we want. So now we just need to find the perfect caravan, and once we do, we can go traveling. Unfortunately, it's time to go from this to this because I have to go to work very soon. Jason has also fallen asleep. He must be tired for some reason. He must have not slept very well last night, but he has gone to sleep. So he is having a tiny nap. Also, I hate my hair up like this. It's gonna take it down because I really hate my hair up like this. I'm not a low ponytail kind of person. I just can't do it. As much as I would like to do it, I just can't. But Mr. Frederick is helping me do something. He's pulling all my washing off. My little line that I've got inside, and it's been inside for the last 3 days because we've had rain and really cloudy cold weather where none of my washing has been drying, but finally it is dry and we can take it all off and put it all away and get rid of this thing from the middle of my lounge room. Such a good job. Do you want to go around and get it from the other sides? Go around.
This.
You take him down. Good boy.
No sound.
All done. Good boy. Are you cute? Are you my baby in the basket? Baby in the basket. Baby in the basket. Camera is flashing dead, so I'm gonna put it on charge, but I've got about half an hour until I go into work. I don't know if Jason's going to pick up the camera while I'm at work, but if he doesn't, we'll fast track to Saturday morning. It's a couple days later, and yes, I'm wearing the same thing I was wearing a couple of days ago, but it's been a couple of days since I've worn it, so it's all good. Unfortunately today I haven't been able to go into work because Frederick still has conjunctivitis. Haven't told you guys before because, well, he didn't get it until Saturday, and the last time I picked up the camera it was Friday. So Frederick's had conjunctivitis for a couple of days. I couldn't go into work yesterday and I can't go in today, but today is the last day that we have at home because his eye is pretty much like perfect. I just wanted to make sure in case he made it spread. Today I have decided to make a very busy work day still, but work as in YouTube. So I've got a list of things down here that I want to get today for a little DIY that I want to do. I haven't done like a DIY on this channel for many years, and I've just decided I want to start producing actually good quality creative content instead of just vlogs. I know you guys love the vlogs, but I really want to just expand this channel a little bit, and I really like decor and I really like DIY, so I'm going to start doing that. I really want to go out, but I really don't want to take these bad boys off. They are so comfy, but unfortunately slippers cannot be worn outside. Today is crazy foggy. Look at that. It's so foggy today. That's insane. I haven't seen fog like this in a very long time. I probably haven't seen fog like this since I lived in Tasmania. So a long time. But we had to get this guy down here dressed so we can go out because he can't wear his pajamas all day because mum can't, so he can't. What's that, Freddie?
It's bear.
Are you ready to go to Kmart?
Yeah!
Frederick is just as keen as Kmart as I am also. If you're wondering why Frederick is sitting over here and not in the middle, and also why my seats are down, is because I tried to get something into the car yesterday and it just wouldn't work, and I had to move Frederick over, and I just haven't moved him back. But it doesn't need to be moved back to the middle because I like it back in the middle. Plus he shouldn't be sitting on this side. He should be sitting on the other side if he was sitting on one of the sides of the car. So yeah, we're just gonna deal with that right now and I'll fix it when we get home. But let's go to Kmart. Came into Target, which I wasn't expecting to come into. I've got some stuff in Frederick's little mini trolley. I love that they have like little kids trolleys these days because they are so cute. But we've picked up a few things I wasn't going to pick up, but I thought they were really cute, so I picked them up. Some really nice stuff in at the moment. I really like these. They're really pretty.
Mom.
Yes?
Mom.
What do you want to show me? And I really love how big this pot is. Like,
Mom.
it's ginormous. I really like it, but I really like this concrete one. It's really cute. Oh my god, look, they've got a grid. Oh, I like that one. That one's cool, but I don't really have a place in my house to put that. Frederick's so cute. But yeah, we've got a couple of things in here and something that Frederick wants. Don't ask me. He's probably not going to get it. Yeah. Shall we go? It's so bad. I didn't realise how bad this lighting is. Wah, 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 wah. Anyway, I finished it. I think I need that on. No, it's so bad. You think that's funny, Freddie? Anyway, we finished at the shop. We got way too many things that we really didn't need to get. But I've actually not finished my list. I've got still half my list, this side of my list to go. So we're going to head to Spotlight and get the rest of the things. Fingers crossed it's not that expensive because I don't want to be that expensive, but let's go to Spotlight. We are complete. We are done. Look at my boot. It is insanely full with all our shopping, and the best thing is, guys, everyone is like going plastic like bag free. It makes me so happy that so many people are using reusable bags, even though I did use one plastic bag today, but so many people are using reusable bags and it makes me so happy. Like today when I was at the shops, everyone was carrying a green bag and it made me so happy. But also while we were in Spotlight, someone came up to me and said that they are a subscriber of ours and they've been watching us for like a few years, so it makes me so happy. My day has gone from like here to here just because of meeting a subscriber. If you guys see us out and about in Perth or anywhere, please do not be afraid to say hello to us because it means so much to us and I get so happy when I meet you guys. But anyway, let's go home and let's do some craft stuff, and also we need some food because I'm getting hungry. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've been gone. I don't know if that's how the song goes, but it has been a while. We've been home for a couple of hours. It is about to hit 2 o'clock. Frederick's just gone down for his nap. I've been filming like crazy doing this video for tomorrow. Not tomorrow, Friday. I'm a day ahead of myself. But filming this like DIY video that I'm filming for you guys for Friday, and so far I really like it, but I figured out that I need one more thing and I need to go to Bunnings for it, but we can't go at the moment because Frederick is asleep. But I didn't show you guys what we got from Target, Kmart and Spotlight today, even though most of it is for the DIY video, some isn't. So these are some of the ceramic bowls that I got from Target today. I'm in love with Target ceramic bowls. I just haven't got any myself before and I definitely really wanted some. I also got these 2 notebooks. Not that I need notebooks, but I got them anyway. So I just got this one here. They came in a pack of 2. These are from Kmart and I got this one here. I did spill paint on it, but it's okay. It's super cute. Trying to think what else I got, but I remembered what I got. I got a clock for our dining room, if you want to call it, you know, this room. Yeah, I got a clock to put up on the wall up here because it's super rare, and me and Jason have always wanted a clock. We couldn't find one that we both like or that suits our house, but came across this one and I was just like, I'm just gonna get it. It is now 4:15 and I've been sitting at the computer for a little bit just editing, just doing my work that I do. I haven't got to the decor video just yet. I'm editing this bad boy right now, but we're going to end this vlog because we're not going to be doing anything else this afternoon other than maybe going to Bunnings to go pick up the last bit of crafty thing that I need, or just chilling at home. So we're going to get going. So I hope you all enjoyed today's vlog and we'll see you guys in a couple of days. Bye.